we are gonna do the pivot and turn now. So observe very well with the pivot and turn. So I'm gonna put my needle down nicely here. Again, I'm gonna make sure my root is in clear view. Then I'm gonna start. I'm gonna do my back stitch. I'm gonna take my time, come down. Push my root as I coming down. Okay, so once I reach close to my corner, I'm gonna use my hand wheel again, and I'm just gonna use my hand instead of my feet to walk my way through. So you're using your hand wheel, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna go one time. So let me just make sure that I got manipulate to go right to the corner, because I want it to come at that pivot corner here. Now, once it's there at the corner, my needle is down, then I'm gonna turn my fabric this way. Okay, I'm gonna continue watching my road and sewing. So now I'm coming close again. I'm gonna use my hand wheel again to walk my way to the corner. Just walk my way to the corner, make sure I'm at the corner. Beautiful. Then I'm gonna turn this way, and I'm gonna come down my road again. So just stay on the road. Now guys, if you go off the road a little bit, it's not a big deal. Practice make perfect, right? So I'm gonna come here. I'm coming close again. I'm gonna walk my way through. So I'm gonna walk my way nicely through. Lift up. Okay, so I'm a little bit off, just a little. Just gonna kind of manipulate the fabric so I get right at the point. Perfect. Then I'm gonna come down, and then I'm gonna do my back stitch. If you notice, I wasn't doing any back stitch. I was just turning, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead to come down here, and then I'm gonna do my back stitch, right? So now when I come down close, I'm gonna come close here. So I come a little bit close. You could always walk it up to that point itself. Just do my back stitch. Or I could even walk it back up. And then you remove it and you assess. Okay, guys? So what you really want to make sure, and you want to practice again, is that you get the corner. So let me just actually turn it. Well, this is yellow. You can already see that clear. But I just want to see nice sharp corners. Okay, nice sharp turn, nice sharp corners. So that's exactly what I want to see. You're going to practice a couple of times to get it. If you miss the lines a little bit, it's not a big deal. Just practice. Practice make perfect. Okay.